So a few things that I kept in mind when I was looking for something exciting to buy after a very long time was that it has to be easy to wear, it has to look good, it has to be wrinkle free, it has to be, price point has to be very good. This is the first time that I bought something from Zara Online, and being an e-commerce expert myself, the first thing that I looked for is that how easy the check-in and check-out is going to be. And I was genuinely very surprised. This is the other color that I bought. The fit is absolutely perfect. I'm a small size. I got exactly what I wanted. There are a few other colors in it. We can team it up with anything that I want. I'm wearing it with jeans right now. You can wear it with a skirt, with shorts, wear it to work. All in all, it was a great experience to buy something online after such a long time. I know for sure I'm gonna go back to that site. I'm gonna buy the things that I put in my shopping cart: the skirts, the dresses, the shirts, the trousers, everything.